You got the movie? Yep. Oh, look at that, Dave.
Yep.
That is fucking cool. That'll be great for YouTube.
3D effects. Look at how that's.
Yeah.
Well, when she uploads it to Facebook, I can pull it to see.
Yeah. Oh, is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool. It looks almost completely different as the way it actually looks in the fire. Yeah. It's got like this purple glow around it that isn't actually here, but it's in there. But it's in the video.
Yeah.
And like the blue around it down there, and that's not here either.
Yep.
But it's like a neon purple.
That is cool. You'll have to show that to Ken. Oh, look at that purple around it. Yeah. Holy shit.
None of that's in there.
No.
But the camera's interpreting it.
The camera sees it. The camera sees what we can't see.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy. Yep.
The camera can see what we can't see, Dave.
Yeah, that's funny.
And now it's even turning like a green.
Yeah, now it's like a green blue. That is wild.
Damn, we're not even seeing that in person.
Nope.
Oh, you got some kind of weird camera angle in it.
Hey, you know what you put on there? This is the eternal flame.
It's a haunted fire.
Yeah.
A ghost fire.
It's a ghost fire. There's ghosts in the fire.
Yeah, really.
Look at the purple around it now.
But you need a camera to be able to see the ghost.
Yeah. It's the flame from hell. This is the flame from hell.
Sometimes you do.